Hey, hello. Today is April 4th, 2026. This is Bob from the Two Old Guys Garage. And I'm in my garage about to do a work improvement on my 32 Deuce Coupe. Last time I went to a live drag strip was at the OCIR strip in Irvine, California, and it closed in 1983. I subscribe to many YouTube channels, mostly of which are automotive related. Some of these videos take place at various drag strips around the country. Knowing what a broken drive shaft can do when it lets go, I decided to add a Driveshaft Safety Hoop to my coupe. I've ordered and received an NHRA approved kit from Summit and I'm about to install it. NHRA rules state it has to be 6 inches back from the front U-joint center and in the center of the 2-inch wide hoop metal strap. So this just came in. Pretty hefty looking. So what I'm about to do is I bolted the bottom side and I'm going to lay under the car and I'm going to see how this fits in that position and then determine if that fits there. So I'm going to pause at this point and get back to you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Hi, back after a moderate pause, same day. I fitted the safety hoop kit to the 32 and some modifications. The upper part of the hoop, I cut it short, took these two pieces off to lower it so that it would clear the underside of the floorboard. In a similar fashion, these guys, I'm going to cut these later and cut these tabs off as not needed, but it's pretty good. In this configuration, these things actually lay flush underneath the bottom of the two rear-facing K-members, which I will drill and tap and bolt them to the underside of that. It should be good enough. Today's Saturday, tomorrow is Easter Sunday. Got a bunch of family stuff, so I'm not sure when I'm going to get back to this, but I got a way to go, know what I'm going to do. And Monday morning, Lou is dropping his Anglia off at Triple F Restorations to get the door panels and the rugs installed. So I got to pick him up. So maybe later Monday I'll get back to this. I don't know. Tomorrow's family junk, so I got 3 great grandchildren. I'm going to do an Easter egg at my house, so Easter egg hunt. Anyway, that's it for now. Catch y'all later. Have a happy Easter, everybody, if that's what you celebrate. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey, Bob here. Two Old Guys Garage. This would be video number 92, segment 2, April 7th. I've got the universal safety hoop, driveshaft hoop kit cut and fitted to the coupe. All that's left to do is I've got to cut off this excess material on both ends. But it's approximately 6 inches back per NHRA standards. Not that I'm going to go to a drag strip with this car and race it. I never would. In my much younger days, I was a street racer. I'll leave it at that. Nowadays, I don't go very fast. Little bursts of speed to make sure it's running okay. Anyway, I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to cut those tangs off the end. And then I'm going to prime and paint it, clean up the bare spots that I've exposed where it's not powder coated anymore. Anyway, it worked out better than I thought. Everything fits. One problem I'm not really happy about is that the thickness of those tube K-members that I bolted into is a lot thinner than what I thought it would be. And that's part of what I inherited when I got the car in 1960 was that K-member. I was hoping it was 1/4 inch and maybe even 1/8. I don't know, it looks pretty thin. So I'm concerned that the drilled and tapped bolts, these guys right here, I would like to have more material for safety purposes, but what I'm thinking I'll do is I'll probably turn around and maybe on the two corners here and here, I'll probably put a little bead of weld there to make sure it's not going to come off. So once they're attached, I can still pull the drive shaft by taking these bolts out and dismantling the hoop. That's no problem. The drive shaft, having Jaguar independent suspension on the back, XK 1968, the drive shaft does not go up and down. Its fixed position just rotates. So there's no problem. I got clearance all around. I got clearance from the top hoop to the underside of the floorboard. And it turned out pretty good, like I was hoping. So I'm going to end this here. And I'm going to pull that off, and I'm going to cut those end tabs off and then paint it. And maybe tomorrow I'll assemble it in for the last time. One other thing, the bolts that I use are 3/8 fine threads, because fine threads are stronger into steel and coarse threads are stronger into aluminum. Go figure. Anyway, I got the fine thread bolts. I think they're grade 5. They didn't have the fine thread in grade 8, but they should be plenty strong. And well, hopefully we don't have to prove that it's safe. But it's there. I feel better. Okay, I'm going to end this here. We did drop the Anglia off at Triple F Restorations yesterday for the upholstery to be done on the door panels and carpeting on the inside. So I'll comment on that, perhaps later add it on to the end of this. Anyway, in the meantime, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Catch y'all later. Take care. Hey, Bob here. Next day, all the bare spots were primed, painted, and the unit is installed. After I cut, well, actually before I painted it, I cut off the tabs at the end that were hanging over, not helping anything. Actually went over to Lou's and used his machinery to cut them off. Anyway, excuse me, it's there, it's together. And this morning I had a brain fart. I mentioned yesterday in the previous segment that I was not happy that there's not a lot of threads on these guys. So anyway, my right idea this morning is, this is a 3/8 long shank drill. I'm going to take and drill all the way through and put probably a 3/8 by 3.5 inch bolt all the way through, and not a washer, lock washer on the other side. And I'm not sure whether I'm going to do that on both, or maybe just do it on one for the added safety. Maybe one to see how it works out. Since this is all tight and bolted, all I got to do is drop the screw and then just come all the way up straight through in the existing hole. So it'll be all lined up. Anyway, okay, that's it. I'm going to end this. This is the end of this little episode, this installation. Looking for more safety. Take care, everybody. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye. Hi, April 9th, 2026. Part 92, segment 3, I think. Picking up the car, just got it upholstered and carpet put in. Looks pretty good. Yeah, kind of matches the seat covers. So, so that is it. The door panels are upholstered and the carpet is upholstered. Imagine that'll kind of quiet the car down a bit. Okay, it's a shorty, catching up. I'll probably append this to 92 on the end of my crap with the Driveshaft Safety Hoop. Catch y'all later. Take care, everybody out there. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.